Living Hope Church had a dream, a state-of-the-art campus in Lower Hamilton where people can come together, learn, engage, and express themselves while building relationships and enjoying each other's company. With a desire for an inviting space that included advanced audio, video, and lighting, yet maintained an ease of operation for any user, the Living Hope team needed a strong audiovisual partner to guide the way. After acquiring a building and with construction plans in the works, Living Hope sought out the integration team from Soundbox Productions to become a project partner. The combined project team worked through various designs and built a plan to realize all of the current needs and wants while leaving room for upgrades and future integrations. Working from the ground floor, Soundbox provided the system drawings and plans while collaborating with other trades to ensure smooth deployment of all audio, visual, and automation components. Pulling from the accumulated years of hardware, software, and workflow experience, key technical solutions and product lines were selected from trusted manufacturers. Throughout the building, multiple breakout rooms and event spaces contain a variety of audio-visual systems, maintaining a simple user interface in all designs. The main auditorium is used for large weekly gatherings as well as simple meetings, so the audio, visual, and lighting systems needed to operate in two modes. State-of-the-art lighting can be controlled by both the production lighting console or through the simple user interface. Advanced microphone systems were integrated with control available by both the digital audio mixer as well as a secondary touchscreen control interface for meetings or small events. With video content support as a large part of any meeting, big or small, the integrated touchscreen control also allows users to access and route video simply and quickly. Peripheral systems were designed to meet a variety of needs in other spaces. Portable workstations with connection points to more advanced systems were integrated throughout the building, making use of familiar and common technology, all with easy-to-use controls. Members and newcomers of Living Hope Church now have another home in Hamilton to visit, experience, and enjoy.